90% of issues that arise on teams can be tied back to an issue of communication, meaning that something has either been miscommunicated, misinterpreted, or not communicated at all. And now add the dimension of a virtual team and you double those challenges. So the virtual team that actually has great communication skills and team effectiveness sets expectations early and often, resolves issues as they arise, and asks instead of assumes. So in this program, we're going to cover the 4 interaction styles that are evident on teams and how to work best together with those different styles. And then we'll cover communication techniques, specifically written ones, verbal, and over video, so that your virtual team can not only communicate effectively, but collaborate as a team. So check out the details below, the curriculum and the learning objectives, and get ready to learn how best to communicate with your virtual team so that you can achieve the results that you desire.